Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest tire changers machine tire changer equipment assistance. Item number 1. Tire changer assistance arm car tires disassembly helper equipment assistance accessory for semi-automatic tire changer machine. Brand name, Velis Origin, CN, Origin, model number, tire changer assistance arm type, tire dismantling machine. Item number 2, tire changer helper arm tire changer assistance arm right assistance auxiliary arm for semi-automatic tire changer machine. Brand name, Velis Origin, CN, Origin, model number, right power assistance arm type, tire dismantling machine tire changer assistance arm, tire changer assistance right power assistance arm. Item number 3, tire changer helper assist arm suitable for all semi-automatic tire changers machine with swing arm third assist or auxiliary arm. Brand name, Vicano Origin, CN, Origin, maximum wheel diameter, null auxiliary arm packing, null voltage, V, null inner rim, null packing volume, null operating pressure, bar, null shovel force, kg. Null outer. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos subscribe to the channel.